Well, hello everybody. I'm going to take you all through a quick tutorial on how to use Google Scholar and Interlibrary alone to do your research. So let's begin first by looking at Google Scholar. Easy enough to get to, http:// scholar.google.com. And you can put really anything in terms of your topic in here. So let's say Middle East stereotypes in video games. Let's say that that's your topic. You want to talk about Middle Eastern stereotypes in like Call of Duty and Assassin's Creed, which, by the way, just because I'm using this as an example does not mean you can't use this as your topic. If you are interested in this as your topic, feel free to do so. So just click the search engine and you'll see that you get all scholarly articles here, and these are all viable options, most of which you can just simply download the PDF of the file here on the right-hand side. From gender and racial stereotypes in popular video games to Iraqi stereotypes in American culture, the case of video games and films, simulated stereotypes, turning the unreal real, an analysis of representations of the other in traditional media forms and digital games, depiction of the battlefield and Call of Duty, etc., etc. Now, all of these are available through PDF here, right? But let's say you had one that was not available through PDF. Let's say that we wanted to focus just on Call of Duty, all right? So there's a bunch of different PDFs here. So 10 video games as civilizational configurations, right? This one does not have a but this is just in terms of a book, right? So let's see if we can find one that is a article. Search for Assassin's Creed. All right, Orientalism in Assassin's Creed, that's a great one. So let's see what we got here. That's again from Google Books. So looking for one. There we go. So playing subaltern video games and post-colonialism. This is a great one. So what you want to do is you want to click, like I did here, the little quotation marks that'll bring you the site section. And then you can literally click on and cut and paste any of these. I'm going with the Chicago one because that is usually the style that's used for anthropology. So I'm just going to do cut and paste. Okay, Control C. Now from there you can go to Interlibrary alone. To reach this, literally all you got to do is to go to the Maxwell Library website, go to Research and Assignments, and click on Interlibrary alone, and it will take you to this web page. Once you do that, you just click Login to ILL. You put in your regular BSU username and password, whatever you would do for your BSU email. And that takes you to this setup. And literally all you need to do is select whatever request that you want to do. So the article that I just suggested before, click Article. And then anything with the little red dot, like over here, the little red dot, you're going to want to include that is mandatory to include. So I'm just cutting and pasting here. So first you need the name of the journal, which is Games and Culture. And I can cut out the rest of that. Article author, again, I'm just cutting and pasting and taking out the things that are not what we're looking for. It's the name, article title, playing video games, playing subaltern video games and post-colonialism. It was volume number, let's see, 13.5. So you can just go 13.5. The year was 2018. And then just hit the inclusive pages. And that is all set. All you do is submit request. And then eventually it's simply going to show up. You're going to have outstanding requests up here. It'll eventually show up in your electronically received articles. And you'll receive an email letting you know that you've received it. And this will stay here for 30 days after they post it. So you'll have 30 days to get that down from ILL. And that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions as to how to use the combination of Google Scholar and Interlibrary alone, please feel free to let me know. I'm always available via email at michael.zimmerman@bridgew.edu and can be reached 24/7, 365 at my